The ultimate guide of taking sea salt bath. Ultimate guide of using sea salt bath as a ratio. This is very important because sea salt bath, it can cleanse you, it can protect you against any negativity, it can protect you against any witchcraft, any kind of bad luck, evil eye, anything that is monitoring you, bad spirits. So sea salt is such an important bath. Once you take it, it will cleanse you, it will clear away the negativity in you. Okay, and it will also attract prosperity, it will attract riches, it will attract wealth and abundance to you. So please do not ignore this bath. Yes, in today's video, I want to share with you the ultimate guide on how to use sea salt bath, on how to use salt bath, so that it can help you against any negativity that is following you or is following in your way. I noticed that so many people don't know how to take sea salt bath and they don't know the importance of it. Let me tell you, sea salt is such a powerful bath. Never ignore it. Once you do this ratio, you will see that your life is changing. It will completely change and you will see the blessings, the miracles. You will see things, lots of things happening. Financial breakthrough. So please do not ignore this bath. Take it immediately and you will see life transforming. Okay? Yes, a lot of people are having so many blockages. Sea salt will cleanse you and it will do wonders and miracles in your life. Let me tell you, sea salt has no limits. A woman, a man, any religion, you can take sea salt bath because it has no limitations. You can do this for your kids. And let me tell you, I do not do rituals. I do not do spiritual work for anyone. I come here and I guide you through on how to do spiritual work. So let no one ask money from you to do this spiritual work because I don't request money. I just guide you through on how to do it so you can do it for yourself and live a happy life. Okay? Yes, I do not request money from anyone. So please take note of that. Anyone who asks money, they are scammers. Okay? Yes, back to the topic. How to take sea salt bath, the ultimate guide. Do not skip any part. Please watch until the end so that you can do it in good way without mistaking anything. Alright guys, so this is everything that you're going to need before taking the sea salt or salt bath. This is my salt and it has not been used from. As you can see, this is my salt. The next thing you're going to need is a bucket of water. That bucket must not be black. It can be of any color, but it must not be black. All right? Yes. So this is my bucket as always. It's filled with water. All you're going to do is to put salt. Put salt in this water. Okay? And I think this is enough. That salt hasn't dissolved yet. So right after putting this salt, you are going to put this bucket in the corner of your bedroom. You can put it in your sitting room, anywhere, and cover it. It must be safe. Nobody has to touch this water. Let it sit for 6 hours. 6 good hours, okay, before using it, before taking this bath. After 6 good hours, you can go and take a bath at once. And as you are taking this bath, that is how you have to mention. That is how you have to pray. This sea salt bath does not just work without prayer. It does not just work without any affirmation. You can always have your affirmation. You can always have anything to say, anything to clear, anything to block, anything to send away. Okay? Ask to block, ask to send away all the problems that you are facing just by taking one bath. Yes, after a period of 6 hours, you can go and take a bath. This bath is very good to take at 6 p.m. That is when the sun sets off. So as you are taking this bath, you can say, I want all my problems to disappear with the sun and never to come back. Only one word can be enough. Okay, only one word can be enough with this bath, and all your problems will be cleared. You will be cleansed and clean. This purifies. This is very important bath to be taken by anyone. Never ignore this sea salt bath. It can change your life for good. It can transform everything. Okay, yes, take it at 6 p.m. That is a very good time for you to take this bath. Sea salt bath. And once you take it, you don't have to dry yourself with a towel. Remember to say anything that has been triggering you, anything that has been disturbing you, all your problems, be it financial problems, you can always pray and mention them while taking this bath. And after, you can walk out. Do not dry your body with a towel. Let the hair dry you. You can always repeat this for 3 good days without skipping any day. And trust me, this will transform your life for good. This is very powerful spiritual bath that you can never imagine. Okay, this is very powerful spiritual bath that will help you transform your life. Very good, and has been used for years. A lot of people know salt as a remedy, but let me tell you, salt isn't just a remedy. Salt is not what you think. Salt is such a powerful spiritual remedy. You can use to clear, you can use to cleanse, you can use to purify, you can use to do anything. Salt is so important and it's very useful in our homes. So just grab it from your kitchen, take a sea salt bath, and say everything that I've said, and you will see how your life will transform immediately. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the Golden Blossom channel. I know some people are going to ask me, can I do this when I'm in my periods? The answer is no. Please wait until you are done, then you can go ahead and do it. And another people are going to ask me, how long should I take this? You can take it for 3 good days without skipping. You will see your life will change. And other people are going to ask me, can I do it? This region, this religion. Can I do it, please? The answer is yes. You can do this for your kids just to protect them. You can do this for anyone just to save them from their problems, okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.